Hi friends, welcome to Tech Tutorials in Telugu by Teja. In this channel, we are going to learn about Linux, Windows, VMware and cloud computing platforms. Please do support by subscribing. Now, let's get into today's topic.
Hi friends, in this video let us see what are the different way to reset the AD password. You all might be knowing resetting the AD passwords can be done in a different ways friends. Let's see what are those ways. Some are you might be knowing by using users and computers, and also we can reset by using the PowerShell also. Let us see the detailed view how to reset those stuff in a different ways. Firstly, open the domain controller. You can take the domain controller, you can access the domain controller using DSA.RDP. I have logged into my server. This is our lab domain controller. Open the CMD and you can check the host name. So DC02. Okay, close this one. Firstly, it is the easiest method, and by using the GUI you can easily reset the user password. Just type run and just type dsa.msc. This opens up the Active Directory users and computers console. See, this is the Active Directory user and computer console. What you can do simply, you can directly, if you know the path of the user, you can directly go there and reset the password. Or else you can do one thing. The easiest method is just right click over here, click on find and type the username. For example, I want to reset the password for username Tej. For example, you can see I have found a user called Teja. So if you want me to reset the username, password of this user, what I can do, simply right click and choose reset over here. And you can reset like this. Uh, if the account is locked, you can unlock it and click OK. So this is the way to reset the password using GUI method using the DSA.ms users and computers. Coming to the second option, how we can reset is click on the start menu. Here you can just type down ADUC, or else you can see here, right, Active Directory Admin Center. Click on the domain. Here you can find all the users, everything over here, friends. If you want, go to the users, or else you can type down the users over here. I want to find the user Tej. Test is available. Let's see user Tej is available or not, or else we can click on the users and see what are the users available over here. Cut. So that is the first method, friends. Going to the second method, where how we can reset is just click on the start menu and just type Active Directory Admin Center. You can see here Active Directory Admin Center. Click on it, expand the window. Here you can see the domain, right? Click on the domain. You can find, if you know the path of the user now, you can directly find the path of the user here, friends. If the user is part of IT, you can click on the IT view and see what is the user account you are looking for in this way. Or else you can do one thing, simply type the username over here, whatever the user you would like to identify. For example, I would like to identify test user. If see, you can see here, in this way we can easily find the users what are available. Or else if you know the path of that particular user, now what you can simply do, click on that domain and find, you need to go to that particular specific OU. For example, I want to go to IT, right? IT, just click on the path over here and click on the users over here. Just remove the filter. Here it will display each and every user who are available. You can see here, right? For example, I want to reset the user Kalyan. What I can do, select the user, come to the right side. Here you will be having an option password reset, right? Click on it. You can enter the password over here, the new password, whatever you want to assign. Okay, password didn't match. Okay, I'll do one thing. Okay, If you want to unlock it, you can unlock the user from here. If the account is locked, it will show up over here. The account is not locked. If you want the user to be change the password as not login, you can check this one, or else simply changing the password, you can change the password over here, click OK over here. In this way, the second method, you can simply reset the user password, friend. This is also a simple, easy method. Okay, coming to the very much the third option, how we can reset is by using the PowerShell. Close all the stuff over here, open the PowerShell, right click, run as administrator. The simple command is set command, friends. Set hyphen AD. You can just use tab over here, so it will display what all the options you want. You can see here set hyphen AD account password, right? Just give space hyphen identity space. For example, I want to reset the password for what is the user I want to reset the password, Tej. For example, give the name Teja space hyphen. I want to reset the password, right? Give the command string as reset. See, when I type like this, it will ask for the password. So you need to give the whatever the password you want to set, just enter over here couple of times. Same password should be there. See, that is all set. This is the way to set by using the PowerShell, friend. This is very simple because no need to go to that DSA.MSC and open the console and right click, find the user, type down the name over there. All those things, headache won't be there. Simply open the PowerShell and give the exact identity of particular user and just enter the password couple of times. That is all done. That's it. This is very much easier comparatively. For example, here the password, we just reset the password only. There is no other options, right? If you want to check the user must change the password at next login checkbox. At the time, what you will do? Again, you will use the set command only. Set hyphen ADUser space identity space. What is the user you want to make it? So for, we are taken example as Teja, right? Teja hyphen. Here you need to add the string whatever exactly what you want to do. Change user password at login, right? Just add dollar true. If you give the command TRUE, yeah, that's everything is fine. Okay, you can see this is not an error, friends. Password never expire is set for this account, right? That is the reason it's not coming. No problem. We can do one thing. We had a couple more users, right? Kalyan. Let's try. Okay, this is also same. What I will do, I'll just open it and I'll change the properties of the particular account, friend. Then we can, it will be easy for us. Right click, find, just find the user Teja. What I will do, double click. Here for testing purpose now I have selected this one. This is the reason, that is the reason it is coming error. I just unchecked the account options, click apply. Okay, now try to execute the command for Teja. Enter. See, now there is no error displayed. So whenever user try to log in, it will ask him to change his password. Getting right? This is how we execute the commands. For example, you have changed the password, but you are not sure whether the password has been changed or not. You want to know the when exactly the user got last password set. So for that, what you will do, this is also very simple command, friends, and it will be useful in the real-time production environment. What you can do, get command only, get hyphen ADUser space. What is the username? For example, I want to test for Teja, right? Hyphen Teja. Whatever the username you want, you can give that particular username, friends. And hyphen properties. You what property you want to filter down? I want to take all the properties. Now I will apply the pipe and I will select only few properties. Like what all I want. I want name as well as I want password. Give star like this. It will take automatically. You can see here, right? I have selected this in a different manner, right? I just select that as the user must change the next at the next login, right? That is the reason it is coming blank. What I can do, I can check for different user. What I will do, Kalyan. See, here you can see. When is the last password set for this user? Today, 5th Jan 2025, and along with the timings you can see over here. When is the password going to expire? Those stuff also it will show up over here. Okay, if the password is never expired, it is set to true, right? That is the reason. If it is set to false, it will come as false over here. Okay, here for example, if the user is set for the blank password, then it will come as a true. Password not required, like that. It is very security risk. Such accounts we need to scan on a regular basis. Hope this command will be very much useful in the real time, friends. Whenever you want to set any for example, whenever you want to check for specific user, what exactly the user status is of right now, whether the user password has been expired, or else when it is going to expire, those all those information you can gather in a single command. This will be very handy in the real-time production environment. Hope this video might be helpful for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.